So after being in business for over 18 years and generating a couple of millions of dollars, I have learned a couple of mindsets you need to have for you to be able to attract money into your life and live your best life. So today I'll share one with you, and that one is the very foundation if you are going to enjoy your life, or if you're going to struggle through life not having the things you desire and the things you want. That singular mindset is called abundance. The Bible says in John 10:10, the B part, that I have come that you may have life, number one, and have life abundantly. There are two kinds of life that are in existence there. There is the surviving life, which is just you being alive, and there's the thriving life, which is very adventurous and that puts you in the kind of experiences you really truly want to have in your life. So which of the two would you choose? Every time there is a choice on the table, do you go for the least, the poor one, or do you go for the best luxury that is affordable? That's 1 minute. I'll see you tomorrow.